All right, so now we're going to write the function to get a single product. We're able to get all the products, but what we want is to get just one single product. So I'll come here and we'll start by creating the function. So here I'll add a comment. I'll say get single product, and then I'll just create my function that will say get product single. You know, the first one is products plural, this one is just singular. And then I'm also going to export it, so copy that and export it. You know what, I can just duplicate this guy and remove the s, and here I'll just have my response.send, which is going to use to test. I'll say single product. Great, save that, and then let's create the route for that. Now when we want to get a single product, we're actually going to get it by its ID. So what I'll do here is I'll say dot forward slash, and then I'll add colon ID. That's the params that we're going to target or append to the route. We're going to protect it, and then we're going to change this function to get product, which we are importing as well. So that's it, save that, and then let's bring up Insomnia. I will duplicate this request here and then test it out. So this will get single product, and then I just gotta create this. Now remember, we have a params, so after this product we're just going to have forward slash, and then the params will just come. So here I'll just say 1 2 3, then let's send. At least we should be able to get the text here that says single product. Aha, so we are good to go. Now let's create the controller function to get a single product. I gotta come to my code editor, and inside here I'll just get rid of this guy, and then let's say const. This time we're going to say products, and that's going to be equal to await, and we want to say product using the product model, product dot, we want to get the products by its ID, so we'll say find by ID. Now how do we specify the ID we want? Well, that is going to come from the params. So here we're going to say request dot params, dot ID. Okay, so that will fetch that specific product for us. Now we're going to have some conditions. First of all, if we don't find the product, you want to give the user a feedback. So here I'll say if there was no product, then let me just give the user a feedback. So I think I have a feedback somewhere. Oh no, not here. So I'll say response.status, and then I'll just do my for is it 404 not found. Then I'm just going to throw an error, so throw new error and say product not found. Aha, so that's first. Now we want to also make sure that the product, that the user is authorized to access or to view that product. Okay, so how are we going to do that? I'll have an if statement that will handle that for me. So let me open that up like this. So here I'll say that if the, remember there is a user attached to every product, so I'll say if the product dot user, all right, and then I'm just going to convert the user, sorry, I'll convert it to a string. So what I mean is, let me show you something. Let me go to the model. Come on, where's the user model? I shouldn't have closed it. Sorry, the products model. Aha, so you see the product model, this user here, the type is mongoose schema.type.object id, so we want to convert that to a string. So that's what I just want to do here. So here I'll say product.user, and then I'll just convert it to string like so. Aha, so I'm checking if that user id is equal to, sorry, is not equal to the request dot user dot id. Now if that's the case, then I'll just throw an error. So let me just carry this guy here, this statement here, and then I'll just slot that in. And then this is going to be 401, which is like not authorized, and I'll see user not authorized. Yeah. All right, so but if these two cases are not a factor, then I simply just want to send a response. So I'll say response dot status, and this is going to be a successful response 200, and then I'll just do dot json and then send back the product. So that's it. I'll go ahead and save, and let's test out this functionality in Insomnia. So I'll come here, and for me to actually get an actual product, I need to, okay, let me just test this out to see if the error functionality works. So there's no product with an ID of 123. So I'll send this guy. Let's see, we'll get an error. We should get an error. So you see, okay, this is something else here, but let me actually get an actual product. So to get an actual product, I need to go to this get all products route, and I'll just copy this last products here. So I'll grab this ID, and let me grab this ID, and I'll copy that, and then I'll come to my get single product. So instead of having this 123 here, I'll just come here and paste this in, and then I'll fire it. So you see, we were able to get this product ID, and we're displaying it here. So you see, we now have the details about that specific product 3. So you can see that now we've created a route to get all products, and then from that we can now get a single product. All right, that's about it for this one. I'll see you in the next one.